Hello.
Hey, Coach Tyler.
How are you?
Good. My name is Jacqueline.
Appreciate you calling in.
Yeah. So I am 57 years old, and I am about 30 pounds at least overweight. I'm pretty strong, but I know my biggest problem is my food.
It's everyone's problem. Food is everything with it.
And it's mostly I don't eat hardly anything.
Yep, that's everyone. When people are under eating, you're going to be lacking your body so much nutrients. It slows down the metabolism. The hormones go out the window. And people have a very tough time getting the results that they want because they're lacking so much nutrients for the body.
Well, that's where I'm at.
All right, let's do it. How tall are you?
I'm 5'4".
5'4". What's your weight at?
I haven't weighed in a while, but it's probably about 175.
Are you currently working out?
Sometimes. I mean, I know how to work out. Like, I really do. I worked out for a solid year, lifted weights 3 days a week, did cardio 3 days a week, and I was strong and I was thin, but I couldn't keep up with my food, and I just started getting exhausted.
Awesome. So right now you're not working out?
I am not working out
okay,
now.
Perfect.
Like, every once in a while I'll go down and work out, but I'm just tired.
Perfect. So what I'd be doing, I just use the free calorie calculator that you can find on the SITE, the big neon sign behind me. I would be doing 1,400 calories a day.
Okay. Yeah, I know I'm not even close to that.
That's the thing, and everyone's shocked when I tell them how many calories they need. And every single person I've helped lose weight, 50 to 100 pounds, they've all increased their calories 500 to 1,000 more than what they were doing. So
I have a question, though. I'm a believe it or not, I own a protein bar company, if you can believe that.
That's super cool.
I totally understand health, and I understand nutrition and all that. But I don't know how to get the time to get that food in me. That's my biggest thing.
So that's why I created True Meal, the meal replacement. That's actually a meal replacement. All the other meal replacements out there don't have enough calories to be a meal, and they're all full of carbs and sugar. So trust me, I get it. That's why I started Fullerton Nutrition. But what you got to do is you got to prioritize it. So in the morning, luckily you only need 1,400 calories. So I would do, if you want to just do 2 meals at 700 calories a meal, you'll be golden. Or
you can really do that. You don't have to split it up like everybody says into these 6 meals, because that about makes me crazy.
No one's got time to eat 6 meals a day, and that's what drives me insane with these TikTok trainers, nutritionists, and doctors that are like, oh, we need 6 meals a day. You're lazy if you can't meal prep. No, man. No one's got time to eat 6 meals a day. Us normal working humans don't have time for 6 meals a day. I relate to, this is my clientele when I own my own gym at 21. My clientele is everyday moms and dads truly trying to lose weight. Just normal people. I didn't deal with the bodybuilders and physique and bikini girls. I didn't deal with that because I can't deal with that. Everyday people are struggling with weight loss, and they're all told to do all this ridiculous stuff. So all you have to do is eat 3 meals a day, eat real food, take in the right amount of calories. So trust me, I will relate to it all day long. I will never tell someone, oh, you're lazy because you're not meal prepping. I don't meal prep. I do 2 meals.
I've heard, really? I mean, and I could do 2 or 3 and I'd be happy, but I feel like I'm always eating wrong if I eat 500 at one sitting.
Nope. As long as you're eating your meat and veggies, eating real food, hitting your calories, I promise you, you're going to get the best results in 1 month than you have trying to lose weight in 3 months. And that goes for everyone on my TikTok, everyone watching this.
Even without a lot of change in my activity?
I've got Lindsay down 65 pounds in less than a year who's half paralyzed.
Wow.
She can't work out. I got tons of people.
Well, and I can, so I should.
It's not the workout program. Your workout program isn't going to get you the results. What's going to get you the results is the nutrition.
Okay, so I've heard you talk meat and veggies. Do you completely do 0 carbs?
No, all your carbs come from your veggies.
So you don't do any bread, flour, anything like that?
Nope. It's all about controlling blood sugar and feeding the body the right amount of nutrients. Let me tell you this.
I do have hypothyroidism too, so.
Yeah. So the carbs and sugars definitely with hypothyroid, PCOS, Hashimoto's, insulin resistance, type 1, type 2 diabetic, it ain't going to help you lose weight. And I'll tell you this, heart disease wouldn't be the number one cause of death in the United States if only thing we could get at a grocery store was meat, veggies, fruit, nuts and seeds, cheeses, some creams. No one would be dying of heart disease like they are at the rate that we are right now.
So you're totally okay with fats?
Yeah, fat doesn't make you fat.
Right. Now, what do you think about like berberine supplements that are supposed to help with your insulin resistance?
How you reverse insulin resistance is stop taking in all these carbs and sugars. Okay. It's the diet of why people are dying of heart disease. Why type 2 diabetes is all of a sudden coming about with everybody, kids having type 2 diabetes. It's the carbs and the sugars. You want to reverse
insulin resistance. How do you feel about fruits?
Fruit still has sugar, and people think, oh, it's healthy sugar. There's great nutrients in fruit, but you will still spike blood sugars with fruit. If you want to do fruit, go for it. I will never tell anybody not to eat fruit.
Okay. 1,400, huh? Wow, that seems like so much food. Like
1,400's nothing.
800 maybe a day right now.
Yeah, that's everyone trying to lose weight under 1,200 calories all day. Everyone's in a deficit. And then you got every bro trainer here on TikTok saying all you have to do is be in a calorie deficit to lose weight. And then you have all these
not true.
And you have all these desperate people trying to lose weight, and they're in a deficit, and they're like, what am I'm not losing weight. And then every freaking TikTok trainer nutritionist on here is like, oh, you're lying. Who's going to lie about what they're eating if they're truly desperately trying to lose weight? That's what kills me.
Right.
No one's going to sit here like, oh, I swear I eat all this. Why am I not losing weight? Like, no one's going to lie about that. Like, people call in and tell me what they had.
I mean, and if I was really, I mean, I know I'm eating carbs. I mean, I am. Because I'm hungry, and so I eat something that will just make it quick, you know. And when I do eat just straight meat and, protein, I seem to do better. So you don't think like having rice cereal or whole wheat, anything like that is good at all? It'll
still spike your blood sugars, and if you're insulin resistant, you're not going to be getting the greatest results. Because
how do you feel about macro balancing things?
Nope, I don't do macros. Macros just overcomplicates this weight loss thing even more. Don't overcomplicate it. People overcomplicate this weight loss thing way too much. In the end of it all, if you eat real food, you hit your calories, you're going to get amazing results.
Okay. That sounds awesome. I actually went to your site yesterday when you were doing a live, but I didn't call in because had a lot of people around me. So.
You're good. Everyone's always scared to call in. I don't know why.
Well, I wasn't scared. I just had a lot of people around me, and I didn't want to be talking on the phone with a bunch of people. So
no, I got you.
I did go to your website, and I looked at your calorie counter. I thought that was interesting. And you're right. That's about where I came out. It said between 1,400 and like 15 something.
Yeah, it was like 1,365 to 1,465. So I just did a happy medium of 1,400.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I am going to hit that for the next week, and you know what? I will even tell you how I'm doing.
Hey, that's why I do this. I do the live one-on-ones. People don't understand. Like me doing this, you now have a trainer for free. You can call me twice a day.
Pretty awesome.
But people, at the end of it all, people don't truly want to lose weight and get healthy. I've been doing this for a while. When I opened up my own gym, I found out that it has nothing to do with money, time, spouses, kids. People just don't actually want to do it. People want to miraculously get results without doing anything and changing the way they eat. And that's why the supplement industry is a $100 billion industry, and the cleanses and everything like that. Because at the end of it all, people just want to take a pill and eat garbage and thinking they're going to get healthy.
But don't you think, honestly, Tyler, that has something to do with them not valuing themselves as a person? Like, I think that there's so much mental that stops people from moving forward in their weight loss goals because they really don't even think they're worth it anyway.
I don't know if it's the not worth it side. I think it's more of, one, people don't know because you got every freaking person here in the world telling somebody 1,000 different ways how to lose weight. And I think it also comes down to people That's one of them. People have been told millions of different ways. The food pyramid came out because President Eisenhower had a heart attack, and one doctor is because we eat the food pyramid. He blamed fat for it. And we took fat out of the diet from the 50s. 40%. We've taken in 40% more grain consumption, and we've dropped dairy and meat consumption and poultry down 20%. Heart disease is still the number 1 cause of death in the United States, and it's still rising. So we've changed the way we eat. So you're good with
dairy. You're good with dairy.
I wouldn't drink milk.
Okay, so my thoughts on milk, and it's just mine. I'm not the coach, obviously, but I love raw milk that has like the real fats in it and actually has
straight from the udder
without anything. Yeah, I mean, and I found that even people that are kind of lactose intolerant can handle raw milk differently than processed pasteurized milk.
Yep, because they put ammonia in the milk to kill all the bacteria, kills the vitamins. Now they have to add synthetic vitamins back into the milk.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. Mucus.
I robbed your house and gave you your socks back.
Yep.
Isn't that kind of what it sounds like?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. No, I think this is awesome. I was really interested to hear what you had to say because I understand enough, but unfortunately I've been just struggling to get to just eat that much food, and I just need to. And I love the fact that you just gave me massive permission to eat 2 meals a day if that's all I want.
If you want to do 2 meals a day, do 700 calories a meal. If you have a tough time doing it, people are always shocked. They're like, oh, that's. Or it's funny, people are like, that's not very many calories. I'm like, hit your calories with meat and veggies and let me know how you're.
Not if it's a pizza.
Yeah.
But man, it's a lot of food when it's just meat. I mean, 4 ounces of anything is 350 calories.
Yeah. That's the thing. And like you go out to lunch or dinner at some Italian restaurant, you're 2,000 calories in one plate.
And so you're good with like sweet potatoes, even though that's a carb?
Nope.
No?
I don't do any potatoes or corn.
Green leafy vegetables.
Broccoli, cauliflower, peas, spinach, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, peas. If you like peppers, go for it. I eat super simple, and that's another thing too, is people try and be Betty Crocker and make all these elaborate meals. At the end of it all you have to do is feed your body the nutrients that it needs. You have to eat to live, not live to eat.
So how do you feel about like any supplements? I mean, I don't mean like performance enhancing supplements, but I mean like getting enough magnesium and doing digested enzymes. And
I own Fullerton Nutrition is a supplement company.
Okay.
I started off with a meal replacement. We got vitamins and minerals in there. I got collagen protein, greens drinks. I got women's libido. I've got men's testosterone, greens, pre-workouts. So yes, supplementation is always great. Like in the greens, no one's eating kelp, alfalfa, wheatgrass, ashwagandha mushroom, probiotics and prebiotics and stuff. So to supplement, just make sure it's a good supplement. You know what I mean?
So you have a good ashwagandha supplement?
Yeah, there's ashwagandha in the True Super Greens.
Okay, awesome. Oh, thank you. This has been a really informative phone call.
That's why I love doing this, and people are always shocked that I do this for free. And I get it. Outside looking in, you stumble upon this guy looks like a bro who wants to listen to him. He's going to tell me do this, be in a calorie deficit, and then sell me all of his products or sell me on some weight loss program. Like, no, like I genuinely, like someone just texted me with the best freaking text ever, and there's no better feeling. Any teachers, coaches, and nurses out there, anyone teaching somebody and they perform with what you taught them, there's no better feeling.
That is true. I understand that very well.
Yeah. So that's why I do this, and that's why when people get results, I want them to come back and let me know.
Well, I am going to, and I'll go to your website. I'm going to check out some of the products that you have. I think this sounds really good. I know enough about nutrition, but, you know.
At the end of it all, just hit your calories, meat, and veggies. You have to eat to live, not live to eat.
Okay. I'm excited.
Awesome. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Hey, go off your before and after photos. Don't worry about the scale.
Okay, I'm going to. I'm not even going to. Well, I took my scale someplace else because I had to use it somewhere else. I haven't brought it home, so I actually don't know what I weigh right now. I just want to feel better.
Love it. Talk soon.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
It's funny how much